Hi, my name is Germán Xochihua Moncada. I'm from group 601, and today I will present you my challenge number 3. The name of this challenge is called Vowels and Numbers. This challenge consists in an application that shows you how the vowels and the numbers can be speak. Start with the loading screen. The app is called Vowels and Numbers, and when we press the vowel screen, it automatically changes to screen 2. That is the screen 2, where you can see the buttons with vowels and numbers. They are 1 to 10 and A, E, I, O, U. Okay, when you click a button, the image will change, and also the background color will change, and audio will be played. Listen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
And
10.
it's the same with the vowels.
I O U.
And as you can listen, there is also background music. Okay, this is the screen number 1, and here we can see some of the design, and here's a big image and a label. I use clock 1 in this screen to make it happen to change the screen 2, and this image looks big, but at cell phone it looks smaller. So when we go to the block section, I use two different programming blocks that says when the screen 1 starts and the clock will set true, and when the clock timer get enabled to false and the screen 2 will open. I mean, you need to wait a little amount of time to make to the clock change to screen 2. And here are the properties of the clock. Okay, and let's go to screen 2. This is screen 2. Here we can see an image. This image will change depending on which button you will click. Some labels and buttons. I used in order two, the sound one and player one. In sound one, I use these properties, and in player one, I use loop property, 50 of below, because I don't want it to be so noisy and loud. Okay, and the blocks I used a lot. It looks difficult, but I think it wasn't. And first, we want to start with the simple block that when the screen to initialize, the player one starts. What this means? It means that the sound, the music will start, the foreground music. And the other thing is when you click any button, it will make the same action that I already told, but I will explain one of them. These are all same. Okay, when you click any button, let's say that we click button 1, the screen 2, I mean this design part, will change to the color or design, and the picture, this picture that is here, will change to any different picture. It will change to, for example, in this case, the A vowel picture. Also will make a sound and audio. After the A audio, I will say thing like A, and an image will be displayed. Also, when you play sound one, when this starts, this cell phone start vibrating 500 milliseconds, I think. And this is only working in cell phone because I don't think that computers vibrate. But these are all the blocks I used from numbers 1 to 10 and a E I O U vowels. It looks simple.